Good morning. My name is David, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be flying an American Airlines 777-200ER from DFW to Seoul, Incheon. I'm going to be flying business class on this flight today, and I want to bring you along for this journey. This is my first YouTube video, so please forgive me for leaving something out in the review. We start the day off at the American Airlines flagship lounge in DFW's Terminal D, where they are currently serving a breakfast buffet at this time. The food they offered at the buffet was very good, and they even had an omelet station that I was unable to film. I'm sorry for not providing a thorough walkthrough of the lounge. I'll be sure to give a more in-depth review in the future. But now, we make our way to our gate. Stepping on board, we arrive to our wonderful reverse herringbone seat in 5A. I'm handed the dining menu, greeted with a glass of champagne and sparkling water during pre-departure. As well, I've been provided my amenity kit and B&O headphones. Soon, we start to push back from the gate and start our journey to Seoul. As our plane makes its way to the runway, I love to look outside my window and see all the different types of planes and airlines taxiing and taking off. Unfortunately, with DFW being a major American Airlines hub, you don't get to see much variety in airline, but either way, still enjoy it. We have finally made it to runway 18L on the western side of the airport for our takeoff. I've decided to leave in our takeoff for anyone who enjoys looking out the window as you start to hit B1 and begin to get that feeling of a new adventure as the plane starts to roll. I know I do. If that's not really your thing, then skip ahead further into the review. We finally level off a bit and continue to make our slow climb to 35,000 feet. We now take a look at the American flagship business amenity kit by Raven and Lily that was provided to us. The amenity kit comes with a pair of socks, an eye mask, a dental kit, earplugs, a Joanna Vargas care package with various lotions and lip balms, and it even came with a leather keychain handle. As we pull out the tray table, which is quite large I have to say, we take a look at our dining menu. The menu for this flight offers an assortment of American and Korean style dishes. I opted for the miso crusted beef fillet for my main, then went with the Korean braised short ribs for my pre-arrival meal. I have to say, both dishes came out looking fantastic and tasting fantastic as well. Overall, this flight was very enjoyable. This was my first time flying American business class, and I have to say, I was very impressed. The food was very good, and the flight attendants for this flight did a great job and were very attentive. For some of the negatives from this flight, we were provided pajamas for this flight, and even the largest set they offered me barely fit, and I'm not really the biggest guy. As well, the Wi-Fi was very spotty, especially once we started to cross over the Pacific near Alaska. I understand the Wi-Fi equipped for long-haul aircraft is not going to be as seamless as the Wi-Fi received on a domestic flight, but I hope American can work on improving it in the future. For anyone who made it this far, thank you for watching. I'll be sure to capture a lot more for my next flight so I can give a much more in-depth analysis, and I hope you'll be there to watch it as well. For the last 3 to 4 minutes of this video, I want to leave our landing in Seoul for anyone who wants to enjoy watching that. I always enjoy the approach into Incheon. Well, thank you for watching my review. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one.